How do you find Will Smith in a snowstorm? You look for fresh prints. How does a computer get drunk? It takes screenshots. When I told my mate I was going deaf, he asked, "What are the symptoms?" I said, "They're a yellow cartoon family with Homer, Marge, Bart, Lisa and Maggie." Why did doctors name them hemorrhoids? Asteroid was taken. What's the difference between ignorance and indifference? I don't know and I don't care. What's it called when Batman skips out on church? Christian Bale. What's brown and rhymes with Snoop? Dr. Dre. I'm Bob Jeffy. Good night all. I'll be back tomorrow. Thank you. This podcast was generated using AutoGen podcast technology from Classic Studios. These lame, groan-inducing jokes were sourced from the Dad Joke subreddit from reddit.com. Check the show notes page for joke credits.